Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out to Poetic for sending me the Poetic Affinity for my iPhone 11 Product Red. Very nice presentation, simple but bold. P for Poetic. Super stoked to share this case with all of you, for all of you. As always, there will be a link down below in the description area, and when you hit that link, it'll send you on over to Amazon. It is there that you're going to see all the information you need to know about this case and that very low price point. Great looking cases, low prices, but more importantly than that, protection for your investment. The Poetic Affinity. TPU, sides, top and bottom. The back, hard polycarbonate plastic back. And it is here that you'll be able to see the red and that apple there. Good looking case. Cut out there for your cameras. Cut out there for the switch to mute the ringer. Cutouts there for your mic speaker and your lightning port so you can charge your iPhone 11. The inside of this case designed to absorb shock to protect that glass back. A lot of great protection here, man. Totally digging this case. Really good feel. Very nice grip. The corners come out just enough to let you know they're there, and they are going to absorb a lot of shock if you were to drop your iPhone 11. Totally digging the design of the Affinity from Poetic. Let's go ahead and put it inside the case now. As you can see with my tempered glass screen protector, there's enough space there that this case is not going to affect that screen protector from doing what it has to do, and that is protect that beautiful display. Very nice. Totally digging that. Look at that. You can still see my product red back there. Yeah. Beautiful. That cutout around those cameras and flash. A lot of depth there to protect those cameras. So when you're sitting down on most flat surfaces, you're not going to have any issues. And plenty of lip all around that display. Very nice. Yes, plenty of lip. You can feel that all around. If you want to set down your iPhone 11 like that, sporting this case, you can do that, or like that. But either way, you're going to have really good protection on the front and the back, and especially around those cameras. You really don't want any kind of damage happening to those cameras. Wow, that just looks really sexy. Yeah, very tough. Bold. Speaker. Lightning charging port area there in your mic. Up top, nothing there. Volume rocker up and down. And we have the switch right here, so make sure that works. Got enough space there for your thumbnail to get in there. And it does. Very nice. And your volume rocker up and down. Very responsive. Very responsive. Very clicky. And let's go ahead and utilize my third-party lightning cable to charge my iPhone. Yep. A lot of space going on there. No problem whatsoever. No problem. It is charging. Do that again. Okay. We're going to go into the camera and take a couple pics here to make sure that the cutout back here isn't getting in the way of those cameras doing what they need to do, and that is take great quality pictures. Okay, ultra wide. And I will edit those pictures in to this video somewhere right in there so you can get a good look at those pictures. Let's go ahead and make sure wireless charging works. Bam. Let's do that again. Bam. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful case. Great protection. Totally digging the Affinity from Poetic. Thank you so much, Poetic. Great looking case, or great looking phone. God bless, peace. I'm out to my next video. This is my Project 13. Have a great day.